Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you the full process of how I created this cute sheep face icon pack inside Adobe Illustrator. This pack includes 9 different sheep expressions, each one designed in a simple, kawaii, cartoon style that works perfectly for stickers, emojis, apps, games, and so much more. So let's jump right into the process. First, I started with some very basic sketch ideas. My goal was to capture a playful and child-friendly look, so I focused on soft shapes, round edges, and a warm color palette. I wanted each sheep face to be instantly recognizable and expressive, so I explored different emotions like happy, sad, sleepy, angry, and curious. Once I had the rough sketches ready, I moved into Illustrator and began building the icons with clean vector shapes. I used the pen tool and shape builder tool to create simple outlines, making sure everything stayed smooth and consistent. The beauty of vector art is that it's infinitely scalable. So these icons will look just as sharp on a tiny mobile app button as they will on a large printed poster. For the color palette, I went with soft oranges and browns for the wool, combined with neutral tones for the face. This gives a cozy and friendly feel, while still keeping the icons flexible enough to work in different projects. After finalizing the shapes and colors, I added subtle details like the eyebrows and eyes that really bring out the emotions and give each sheep its unique personality. Finally, I exported the icons into both EPS format for full editing in Illustrator and JPG format for quick and easy use. This way, designers, hobbyists, and even beginners can use them however they like. Now, if you'd like to get this exact icon pack, there are 2 easy ways. If you just want this pack as a one-time download, you'll find a link in the description where you can grab it for a very small price. It's a simple way to support the channel while getting access to high-quality vector art. But if you're someone who wants more icons, more vectors, and exclusive content every month, I highly encourage you to join us on Patreon. By subscribing to any tier, you'll unlock full access to download my vector packs, early access to new releases before anyone else, extra variations and bonus design. And of course, you'll be directly supporting this channel, helping me create even more tutorials and resources for you. Joining Patreon not only gives you more creative tools, but it also helps me continue growing this channel and producing better content for you all. So if you enjoy these kinds of videos and want to see the project files, the link is right there in the description. Before we wrap up, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a like. It really helps the channel reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos where I'll be sharing more design tutorials, icon packs, and tips for creating vector illustrations. So whether you decide to grab the sheep icon pack as a one-time download, or you want to take things further and support us on Patreon for more monthly content, I really appreciate your support. Every like, every subscription, and every download means a lot, and it keeps me motivated to create more for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.